When I think about the Dementia Simulation House, the first thing that really comes to my mind is just how grateful I am for all of the campus and community support that we have had in pulling this together. I think it takes a village to make a Dem Sim house, and I have the best village.
If you think of the brain as 2 bookcases, and each book on the bookcase represents something we store in our brain. So facts, complex thinking, knowing how to do certain things, emotions, feelings, and we can imagine that the emotions and feelings are the books on the bottom of the bookshelf.
I chose sick because I started to feel sick when I was in the bedroom, and then I got just caught up in the moment, and I seriously had to stop for a second because I thought I was going to throw up.
Chaos.
Confusing.
Distracting noise.
Frustrating.
Crazy.
Overwhelming.
I chose the word spooky. There was a lot of sounds and background noise kind of when I was doing my basic tasks, so definitely was spooky.
Overstimulating.
Isolating.
Frustrating.
Noise.
Surprising.
Frustrating.
I put stressful, and I put it for 2 reasons. One, because I'm highly multitasker and very organized, and to add and hinder that process of priding myself on being able to do a lot of things at once and get them completed, adding dementia to it was stressful because I was like, I don't want to forget anything. I want to make sure I do it all correct. And also stressful because I know my mom is wired like that as well, and she's going through that process. And so it stresses me out for her to go through that same thought process as I went through, and I knew I was going to be done with it in 15-20 minutes, but she lives with it every single day.
Well, about 13 years ago, my dad passed away. He had Alzheimer's. So I am very passionate about this house and volunteering for it, because it is very eye-opening to take a peek through the window of what my dad was seeing and living with every day.
As a counselor and a counselor educator, I got involved with the Dementia Simulation House to assist helping professionals to enhance their compassion and competence in working with individuals and families who are living with dementia. I also wanted to focus on mental health needs of folks as they age, and to become a part of addressing the gap in accessible care.
So great to see different people throughout the community come in and go through the simulation. There's students, family members with loved ones who have dementia, workers in facilities, and just everybody throughout the community has their own story or experience with dementia. And I think it's really cool to have them all come in and go through this experience together.
We have between 100 and 175 participants come through the house each month, and we're always looking for new opportunities to spread dementia awareness throughout the community.
I'm really not sure what my expectation was in terms of how many people would be interested in coming here, but this has really exceeded any expectations.